Chad Hiltz is a popular Canadian custom car builder and reality television personality. He is known for his unique and innovative approach to custom car building, and for his work on the popular Discovery Channel series Bad Chad Customs. In this article, we will explore Chad Hiltz's net worth and investments, as well as his rise to fame and the key factors that have contributed to his success. Chad Hiltz's early life and career. Chad Hiltz was born on August 31, 1971, in Kingsport, Nova Scotia, Canada. He grew up in a family of mechanics and car enthusiasts and developed a passion for custom car building from a young age. As a teenager, he began working at his family's garage and honing his skills in custom car building. In the late 1990s, Hiltz moved to Ontario and opened his own custom car shop, which he called Green Goblin Customs. He quickly gained a reputation for his unique and innovative approach to custom car building, and his work caught the attention of various media outlets. Chad Hiltz's rise to fame. Chad Hiltz's rise to fame began when he was approached by a producer from Discovery Channel in 2018. The producer had seen Hiltz's work online and was interested in creating a reality television series about his custom car building process. The resulting show, Bad Chad Customs, premiered in January 2019 and quickly became a hit with viewers. The show follows Hiltz as he builds one-of-a-kind custom cars for clients using his signature slapdash style, which involves using whatever materials he has on hand to create unique and eye-catching designs. Bad Chad Customs has been a major success for Hiltz and has helped to bring his work to a wider audience. The show has also led to various other opportunities for Hiltz, including speaking engagements, appearances at car shows, and even a line of custom car parts. Chad Hiltz's net worth. Chad Hiltz's net worth is estimated to be around $1 million, as of 2023. This figure includes his earnings from his custom car shop, as well as his income from his work on Bad Chad Customs and other related projects. It's worth noting that Hiltz's net worth has likely increased significantly since the premiere of Bad Chad Customs. The show has been a major success and has helped to raise Hiltz's profile considerably. As a result, he has likely received significant increases in income from various sources, including speaking engagements, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Chad Hiltz's investments. In addition to his work in custom car building, Chad Hiltz has also made a number of investments over the years. One of his most notable investments is in his own custom car shop, Green Goblin Customs. The shop is a major part of Hiltz's business and has been the site of many of his most famous builds. Hiltz has also invested in various tools and equipment to help him in his custom car building work. This includes everything from specialized welding machines to high-quality paints and finishes. Another major investment for Hiltz has been his own personal brand. He has worked hard to build a reputation as a skilled and innovative custom car builder, and has invested heavily in marketing and promotion to help spread the word about his work. Conclusion. Chad Hiltz is a skilled custom car builder and reality television personality who has built a reputation for himself through his unique and innovative approach to car building. His work has earned him a net worth of around $1 million, and he has made a number of investments in his own business and personal brand over the years.